Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Windows 10 computer back to factory settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now there should be an item in here. If you scroll down underneath the update and security, go ahead and select that tile. And then on the left side, select the Recovery tab. On the right now up at the top, it says if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. To complete the reset, you'll need to be connected to a network and follow the instructions on your PC. Select Get Started, and then you would select Remove Everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. Follow through with the on-screen wizard on that, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.